Welcome to Who Can Make the Best Fart Sound? That's a pretty good one. You got... Good Lord, I hate to be around you if that was real. Still pretty lame though, buddy. See, that right there is an artist. A fartist, actually. A fartist. A little bit too exuberant, buddy. Watch Ashton. He's a pro. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, dang. You sound like you swallowed a bean field. There we go. That's better. That's better. Oh my God. You sound like you ate a whole cheese factory. Yeah. That's a little better. Try it again. Yeah, that would really impress the women. Good Lord, I think you just blew a hole in your pants. Yeah, he's walking around with a big hole in his pants now. How about you? I don't think you have any pants left, buddy. Jeez. Alright, guys. Say what? Alright, one more time. Oh, that was the juiciest fart ever.
My turn.
Alrighty then. Say goodbye.
Who won?
Ashton.
Woo!
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say up yours, Anthony.
Up yours, Anthony.